Beneath the sun, a black bullock, a white bullock, and a brown bullock share a tranquil moment, grazing side by side in the vast green field. From the forest's edge, a lion watches with hungry eyes, its gaze unwavering as it contemplates its next move. The lion attempts to approach, but the bullocks stand firm, presenting a united front against the predator. Frustrated by their solidarity, the lion retreats back into the shadows of the forest, its hunger unappeased. Beneath the wide canopy of an ancient tree, a majestic lion sits in contemplation. The lion slowly approaches the black bullock, which is grazing peacefully. The lion leans in, its breath warm against the bullock's ear, and whispers, "The white and brown bullocks secretly dislike you and talk behind your back." The black bullock flinches, its large eyes widening with hurt and confusion as it absorbs the lion's false words. Across the expansive green field, the three bullocks are scattered, their forms small against the landscape. The black bullock stands isolated, its head hung low, radiating a palpable sense of sorrow. The once inseparable trio now exists in fractured silence, their bonds visibly strained and broken. From the edge of the woods, a lion observes with predatory eyes, sensing the shifting dynamics of the herd. A palpable tension hangs in the air as the lion watches, poised to exploit the bullock's discord. In the tranquil green field, a brown bullock peacefully grazes, unaware of the lurking danger. Suddenly, a lion bursts from the forest, its gaze locked on the unsuspecting prey. With incredible speed, the lion leaps, chasing the brown bullock into the dense forest. The brown bullock vanishes among the trees, its fate sealed as the white bullock grazes alone. The lion's fierce roar echoes across the meadow, instilling terror in the white bullock. Terrified, the white bullock tries to escape, but the relentless lion drives it away from the meadow. Under the fading light of dusk, a solitary black bullock stands alone in the desolate field, radiating an aura of profound terror and regret. The lion advances with deliberate slowness, its gaze unwavering, locked onto the black bullock. Too late, the black bullock comprehends the devastating consequences of its distrust and disunity. With a final, decisive surge, the lion unleashes its fatal attack. The black bullock's life ends, a tragic testament to the perils of division.